Ever booked a meeting and felt like you wrestled an octopus to get it scheduled? Back and forth emails, conflicting calendars, time zones. It's a scheduling nightmare. That's where tools like HubSpot meetings come in, promising a smooth, streamlined booking experience. But HubSpot isn't the only player in this game. So the big question is, who is HubSpot's biggest meeting competitor? Before we dive into that, let's understand why meeting scheduling tools are so crucial. Think about it. How much time do you waste just trying to find a time that works for everyone? It's a productivity killer. These tools automate the process, letting people book meetings directly with you based on your availability. They integrate with your calendar, send reminders, and often offer other helpful features like payment processing or integration with video conferencing platforms. In today's fast-paced world, they're essential for sales teams, consultants, recruiters, and frankly, anyone who schedules a lot of meetings. Now, HubSpot Meetings is a solid option. It's integrated within the larger HubSpot ecosystem, which is a big plus for businesses already using their CRM or marketing automation tools. It's user-friendly, offers customization options, and has a free plan, making it accessible to a wide range of users. But as with any software, it's not perfect, and there are other tools out there that might be a better fit depending on your specific needs. So who's the main contender? While there are several players in the meeting scheduling space, the most direct and arguably biggest competitor to HubSpot Meetings is Calendly. Calendly has been around for a while and has established itself as a leader in the market. It boasts a clean, intuitive interface, robust features, and a wide range of integrations. Like HubSpot Meetings, it offers different pricing tiers, including a free plan, catering to individuals and businesses of all sizes. But what specifically makes Calendly such a strong competitor? Let's break it down. First, Calendly's focus is solely on scheduling. While HubSpot Meetings is part of a larger suite of tools, Calendly's entire existence revolves around making scheduling as efficient as possible. This dedicated focus has allowed them to refine their product and offer a very polished user experience. Second, Calendly offers a deep level of customization. You can tailor your scheduling links to match your branding, create different meeting types with varying durations and buffer times, and even collect specific information from attendees through custom questions. This flexibility is crucial for businesses with unique scheduling needs. Third, integrations are key, and Calendly offers a plethora of them. It seamlessly connects with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, as well as other business tools like Zoom, GoToMeeting, and Salesforce. This ensures that Calendly fits into your existing workflow without causing any disruptions. Fourth, Calendly's pricing structure is often seen as competitive. While HubSpot Meetings has a free plan, Calendly's paid plans offer additional features and capabilities that might be essential for growing businesses. Now, it's not to say that Calendly is definitively better than HubSpot Meetings. The best tool for you depends on your specific requirements. If you're already heavily invested in the HubSpot ecosystem, the tight integration of HubSpot Meetings might be a significant advantage. It simplifies workflows and keeps all your data within one platform. Plus, the free plan is a great starting point for small businesses or individuals just getting started with online scheduling. However, if you prioritize a dedicated scheduling tool with a wide range of features, deep customization options, and a strong track record, Calendly is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful and versatile platform that caters to a broad audience. Beyond Calendly, other notable competitors exist in the meeting scheduling arena. Acuity Scheduling, for example, is a popular choice for service-based businesses that require appointment scheduling and payment processing. It offers features like automated reminders, client management, and online payment integration. Doodle is another tool worth mentioning, particularly for finding a meeting time that works for a group of people. It simplifies the process of polling participants and identifying common availability. Then there's X.AI, which takes a different approach by using AI to schedule meetings through natural language. You simply tell it who you want to meet with and when, and it handles the rest. So, while Calendly stands out as HubSpot Meetings' most direct competitor due to its similar feature set and broad appeal, the competitive landscape is diverse. Businesses should carefully evaluate their needs and explore different options before making a decision. Factors to consider include ease of use, integrations, customization options, pricing, and specific features relevant to your industry or workflow. Ultimately, the goal is to find a meeting scheduling tool that saves you time, reduces frustration, and allows you to focus on what matters most, connecting with people and achieving your business objectives. Choosing the right tool can significantly impact your productivity and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.